And she's a shooter.
Go.
Kong. And it's...
I did it. It's like a god. And the sea.
Trans-Georgian pipeline.
You're delusional. You think
It's a new age for the universe.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Cine Select. If you are a fan of adrenaline pumping action, intense showdowns and tactical precision, you are in for a treat. Today we are diving into the world of snipers, the silent hunters who strike with deadly accuracy. Get ready as we explore 5 thrilling movies from the sniper franchise that will keep you on the edge of your seats. Let's get started, but first smash that like and subscribe button if you are ready for some serious suggestion. And we are guys only 914 subscriber far away to reach 1k subscriber. So please like the video and subscribe to channel. And I hope guys I will get 5k subscriber from this video. Let's dive in. Number 5. Sniper Assassins End.
Away from the vehicle.
A thrilling chapter that brings together 2 generations of snipers. We follow Thomas Beckett, the original sniper, and his son. Both men are framed for the assassination of a foreign dignitary and must go on the run to clear their names. What makes this movie captivating is the dynamic between father and son. A seasoned veteran with decades of experience and Brandon, the younger, more impulsive marksman, must put their differences aside and work together while evading their relentless pursuer, including a CIA operative and an elite Russian assassin who always seemed to be one step ahead. Set against the stunning backdrop of the Pacific Northwest, this game of cat and mouse is elevated by the dense forest and rugged terrain where every decision could mean life or death. Number 4. Sniper Ultimate Kill. Set in the dangerous world of the Colombian drug trade, Brandon Beckett is sent on a mission to take down a ruthless cartel. But there is a twist. The cartel is hired a sniper known as the Devil, one of the deadliest marksmen alive. This is not just another assignment for Beckett. It is a psychological battle against a sniper who is just as skilled and cunning. The tension escalates as Beckett navigates the dangerous jungle of Colombia, where every step could lead to an ambush. Number 3. Sniper Ghost Shooter. The stakes by placing Beckett and his team on a high-risk mission to protect a critical gas pipeline from terrorists in the treacherous mountains. What starts as a routine protection detail quickly turns into a deadly sniper war. Ghost Shooter delves deep into the theme of invisibility, both literal and metaphorical. The enemy sniper team is highly skilled, mirroring Beckett's abilities. As the mission unfolds, it becomes clear there is a mole in their ranks, feeding information to the enemy, which sets off a tense battle of wits, where trust is a luxury no one can afford. The sniper battles are high tension with both sides, using the environment to their advantage, turning every rock and shadow into a potential weapon. Number 2. Rogue Mission. After discovering a covert operation that threatens the country's core, Beckett is betrayed by his superiors and marked as a rogue agent. Rogue Mission dives deep into themes of betrayal and trust. Beckett, now a fugitive, must navigate a web of lies while being hunted by those he once trusted. The action is intense, but the emotional stakes are even higher. Every decision Beckett makes is a step closer to either exposing the truth or facing certain death. The film takes us from the shadowy back street of Eastern Europe to high security military compounds, Each scene building on attention, it showcases some of the most intense sniper action in the series, including a high-octane car chase that transforms into a sniper duel across rooftops and a climatic showdown. Number 1. Sniper Grit. A secretive elite unit known for handling the world's most dangerous mission. His target, a notorious warlord who controls a volatile region and threatens global peace, stand out for its mix of tactical action and character-driven storytelling. Beckett is not just fighting external enemies, he is battling his own inner demons and the ghost of past missions. The film takes a deep dive into what it means to be a sniper, the mental toll it takes, and the split-second decision that can mean life or death. The action is relentless, from covert operation in enemy territory to sniper battles that stretch for miles. The cinematography captures both the beauty and brutality of war zones.